This Cash Protect is partnered with GMA on their project Makka Ugao. The aim of this project is to promote cultivation of maize to increase farmers' income. Maize is a crop that is not commonly consumed by humans. Instead, it is used as industrial feedstock and to feed animals. The government wants to promote the cultivation of maize so that they can increase the income of farmers. So I can see crops such as cotton, red chili, dal, maize, which is the purpose of my entire cash experience in the first place. It's to encourage farmers to grow more maize. We have brinjal. This is a small water body which the farmers use in their everyday lives for some basic tasks. And this is the farmer house. There are farm animals over here. There are other small houses. I'm in a cotton farm and I am plucking out cotton from fully grown plants. And this is a very difficult job because these plants are very rough, and especially farmers have to do this with a lot of intensity and hundreds of plants every single day. So it's very difficult. Cotton is used to produce fabric, and it comes out of very thorny plants. And it's greatly hurting my skin too, so I have to be quite careful with this. And I cannot imagine how much pain farmers withstand per day with the same thing. Cotton is an industrial crop, but since it takes such high skill to take out and it sells for a very low cost, farmers do not make a good profit out of it. This is the household of the average farmer. Everything cooked is fresh. There is a wooden stove over there and all of the smoke is coming into my eyes. It's very difficult to film this video. And especially people are sitting right next to it. So many people. I don't imagine how farmers can withstand these living conditions every single day. I'm currently in Chhindwara, the largest maize production district in India, and this is a maize field. This is a young maize plant, and it will grow to produce maize. This is all corn which has been picked from the plants, and they are being sun-dried. This process is called threshing. In this process, the grains of the corn is separated from the outer fiber and the inner cob. This truck is now ready with the maize and it will go to the mandi. I have come to a mandi in Nagpur. A mandi is a marketplace in which farmers can sell their produce. We will see how the auction is done. This is maize being unloaded from the truck. This is the premises within the marketplace. This is a large stock of maize which farmers have got to sell, and it gets packaged. This is a live auction taking place and there are a lot of buyers.
This is the auction slip. This is the date which the auction has been taken place. This is the name of the farmer. This is the commodity which has been purchased. This is how the weight of the commodity, how much weight is the purchased weight, goods have weight, This is the rate of the commodity. This is the trader who has been purchased this, and this is the person who has.
Purchase.
Yes, this is the person who has taken out this auction slip. That's how auction take place.
आप मक्का के किसान हो?
हाँ जी, मक्के की किसानी करते हैं।
आप ये कितने साल से कर रहे हो?
वो 10-15 साल से कर रहे हैं।
इससे पहले आप क्या करते थे?
इससे पहले हम सोयाबीन करते थे, सोयाबीन की खेती।
सोयाबीन से आपको पैसा कम मिलता था क्या ज़्यादा?
सोयाबीन में एवरेज कम मिलता था और रोग ज़्यादा लगने के कारण ये मक्का की फसल पैदावार कर रहे हैं।
तो मक्का से आपका कितना बच गया?
हाँ, मक्का में तो क्या है, आधा तो खर्च हो जाता है लागत में वगैरह में, बाकी आधा पैसा बचता है।
आधा पैसा बचता है। और आपको कितना बेनिफिट हुआ?
आधा बेनिफिट हुआ माने कि आधा पैसा बचा। ये अभी 2400 के रेट मिल रहे हैं, तो दाम ठीक कारण होने के कारण थोड़ा पैसा अच्छा बच जा रहा है।
अच्छा। This is one of the largest mandis in Madhya Pradesh, and is the largest maize production area in India. This area is quite labor intensive, and it's quite commendable to see that this is the starting of the commodity index and also the financial markets. This is a warehouse in which the purchasers team stores goods purchased from the mandi. So what is first unloaded from a truck and then it is stored in the warehouse. To maintain demand, for government has permitted ethanol blending programs and ethanol plants which have been installed all over the country.